What if I told you there's a river that literally boils? Not a hot spring, a whole river. Welcome to the boiling river of the Amazon, where water can reach temperatures hot enough to cook an egg. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, there's a hidden stretch of water called Chanay Timpishka, which locals call the river boiled by the Sunday. But here's the twist: it's not volcanic. It's not volcanic. The nearest active volcano is hundreds of kilometers away. So why is the river scalding hot? The leading science-backed idea is natural geothermal plumbing. Rainwater seeps deep into the earth through cracks, gets superheated by geothermal energy inside the crust, then races back up through fault lines and vents, pouring into the river like invisible kettles. The result? A 4-kilometer-long river that can hit around 45 to 95 degrees Celsius, hot enough to cause third-degree burns in seconds. Explorers have recorded the surface literally steaming, and small animals that fall in can be cooked by the current. Geologist Andres Russo helped bring this river to global attention. With support from local communities, he measured temperatures and mapped geothermal inflows. His observations, featured in National Geographic and his TED Talk, show the water heating and cooling along the river's length, exactly where subterranean vents enter. That pattern is classic geothermal activity, but on a scale you almost never see without a volcano. What makes it mind-blowing is how rare this is. Hot springs are common, but a wide, flowing river at near-boiling temperatures? That's like finding a natural stovetop in the middle of a rainforest. It's also a fragile, sacred place. The surrounding forest acts like a living lid, trapping heat and steam, while mineral-rich waters paint the rocks in surreal whites, reds, and greens. The air feels like a sauna, and the water can be so hot it steams your glasses. Scientists study rivers like this to understand geothermal energy, hydrothermal ecosystems, and how heat moves through Earth's crust. Microbes adapted to extreme heat, called thermophiles, may even hold clues for new medicines or industrial enzymes, similar to how Yellowstone's hot springs led to breakthroughs in DNA technology. Protecting this river means protecting a rare natural laboratory. So the next time you think of the Amazon, remember it's not just biodiversity and giant trees. There's a river that boils itself, powered by the planet's hidden heat. Want more wild, true stories of our planet? Comment if you'd touch the water for $1 million and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.